Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set iCloud photos to optimize iPhone storage or download and keep originals on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Photos. In Photos, go down and turn on iCloud Photos. Once you switch on iCloud Photos, these options will become available. In here, you can choose to optimize iPhone storage or download and keep originals. Now, if you choose to optimize iPhone storage, then the original size photos will be uploaded to iCloud and a compressed version will be kept on your phone. So whenever you want to delete photos from iCloud, make sure that you download and keep originals on your iPhone first before you clearing the storage on the iCloud. And that's it. So select one of the options down here. So you can see if I choose download and keep originals, it said that this iPhone is currently storing original photos and videos. Turn on optimize storage, just save device space and keep originals in iCloud. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.